Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting power and visibility right. Charge the bullets to more than 20% so they won't drop mid-pair, and turn your laptop's Bluetooth on. Once done, put the bullets into pairing mode by pressing and holding the earbud multifunction button for 2 to 3 seconds until the LED flashes. This makes the headset discoverable. Now, on your laptop, go straight to Bluetooth settings and choose Add Device or Pair New Device, so the system starts scanning for nearby peripherals. You'll see OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 appear in the scan list. Click that exact name to initiate pairing, because similar names can belong to other devices. If your laptop prompts for a PIN or confirmation, accept it. Most modern systems use a default like 0000 automatically, but simply approve the pairing dialog to continue. After confirmation, wait for the connected status. Once connected, play a short audio clip to verify output and that the microphone can finish by making the bullets your default playback and recording device so apps use them automatically. Open sound settings and assign them for both input and output. If pairing fails, remove the bullets from your laptop's device list, restart Bluetooth on the laptop, reset the earbud by holding the button for about 10 seconds, and attempt pairing again. For persistent problems, update your laptop's Bluetooth driver. This fixes compatibility, and then reconnect. That usually resolves stubborn connection or audio route issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.